Geology is like a very heavily field-based study, so what you learn in the classroom is only probably half.
So I just got to see firsthand people who are experts in their field, what they're doing, and get involved, and that's how I met Dr. Badasso.
Experiential learning or field work for geology is a key aspect.
There are a set of skills that you have to develop in the fields, and geoscience is it's a largely field-based discipline.
It's so much easier to understand the different geologic time periods or the mineral that you're looking at if you're looking at it in person.
And then when you go out into the field with professors, you really get to become confident in your skills that you've learned.
When students are in the field, they develop other skills, they learn how to work in teams, they learn to be held accountable for their part of the work, because in the field there's no backup. If you have to do something, you have to. All the others depend on you.
Problem solving on the spot.
Data management, data analysis.
But I'm being able to learn at a pace that suits me, learning concepts that I want to learn.
We take students out in the field both nationally, for example, in Colorado.
Colorado Field Camp is a 3-week-long, intense geology field camp.
We take them to Western US, Alaska, China, the Himalayas, Africa.
And then the student basically learn field techniques and give the space to think about, to interact with nature, as well as to observe, and then come up with identify problems, environmental problems.
Well, experiential learning give students the opportunity to actually see what they learned in class can be used to solve real-world problems. That keeps students engaged and give them a sense of purpose, and also help them to find their passion.
It's not just taking a bunch of gen ed courses, it's getting out there and doing what I want to do and figuring out what I want to do.
And it gives us that opportunity to make that connection and be able to go from there.
You get to actually apply it in the field and have fun with it too.
The more students go out in the field, measure parameters, collect samples, and then analyze them, that's where the learning happens.